Hi guys, welcome to TechFox. Today in this video, we are going to see the exact method to place Adsterra ads in your WordPress website for 100% free. And this Adsterra carry lots of a high amount of CPM for its ad, and you will earn more using this platform. And please follow up until the last moment and stay tuned. And please subscribe to TechFox for more video tutorials almost every day. So now let's jump into it. So as the first step, now I'm going to proceed to this link. So I want to proceed to this link, and this link, as you guys can see, I'm going to go to the incognito tab and I'm going to paste this link. So you guys can simply enter to this link and you guys can sign up for this Adsterra platform for 100% free. And this link is in the description box below, so you can check out and you can register for adsterra.com. And you need to enter the email address, full name, password, login, and you can simply add a messenger, whether it is Instagram, or you can simply add the messenger account, and you can simply select your payment option, and you can simply click I have read and accept the terms and condition and privacy policy, and you can simply click on sign up. And in this form it says me what you get, and as I said earlier, this carry high CPM rates and you can monetize your traffic for 100% free using this platform. And now I'm gonna proceed to this link. So when I proceed to this link, as I am the owner, or as I have already signed up for Adsterra, I'm gonna go to my dashboard page of Adsterra. And after you sign up to Adsterra, you will reach a page like this. So you can click login, and you can simply click as a publisher, and you can enter your password and email address or username to sign in to Adsterra. So now I'm going to place Adsterra ads in my WordPress website, and how to place this is 100% simple. So now I'm going to go to my website, and now I'm going to proceed to it. And this is one of my testing website. So now I'm going to place some Adsterra ads over here. So how to place? Now I'm going to proceed to a section named websites in Adsterra. So I can simply click add website here, and I can give my domain name to this Adsterra platform, and I'm going to click this, and I'm going to copy this domain name, and I can simply paste this domain name over here, and I can select my category. So now I'm going to select it other, and I can simply avoid the ad campaigns such as erotic ads and gambling ads, alert ads, and I can simply place these ads which is good, and I can simply click add. And now I'm gonna simply select an already existing domain, and this will take, after you simply add, this will take around 1 minute to verify, and the Adsterra website will provide you access, or they will approve your domain, and it will show you like this as approved. And now I'm going to click on all codes. So here it shows me you haven't requested any code. So now I'm going to request a code for this website, and now I'm going to request a code. So how to request? Simply click add code, and I can simply select the category or the campaigns which I want to remove. So I have removed these types of ads, and now I'm going to enter the ad unit as native banner. So now I'm going to click on add. So it shows me that your request has been submitted. You can paste your codes once they are approved. So now I'm going to click on got it. And now I'm going to proceed to my WordPress dashboard. So how to proceed? Simply click enter /w dash admin. And so now I will be asked to log into my website, and now I'm gonna log in. So as you guys can see, now I have successfully reached to my WordPress dashboard, and this is my WordPress dashboard. So now I'm going to proceed to the appearance section, and I'm going to click on widgets. So now I'm going to refresh the Adsterra. So I'm going to click on add all codes, and the native banner is still pending for the approval. So let's wait for a few minutes. And now I'm gonna again refresh this page, and as you guys can see, these are my existing widgets. So I can simply proceed to my website to show you an example, and this is the recent post. So you guys can see what I am entering here is appearing in my sidebar or main sidebar. So now I'm going to remove this section, and now I'm going to add a block. And now I'm going to search for HTML this block, and I can simply click custom HTML. So now I'm going to refresh the Adsterra page again, and I'm going to click on all codes, and as you guys can see, my native banner is active. So now I want to simply click get code over here, and here it will say ask me to select my widget layout. So now I'm going to select as 1:4, and now I'm gonna select my so I can simply place ads like this too. So the most preferred one is like this layout, and I can simply select the font size and font color. So now I'm gonna avoid this, and now I'm gonna click on save, and now I'm gonna select all, and I'm gonna copy this simply, and I'm going to proceed to my widget section, and I'm going to paste this in my HTML or custom HTML block. So now I'm going to click on update. So it says me that you are probably offline, and as I'm using a free hosting program, it says me like that. So I can simply again try this. I'm going to click on update, and this says me like this. So now I'm going to click on the preview. So now as you guys can see, this shows me my Adsterra ads. So now I'm going to refresh my page to check whether my ads are appearing or not. So now I'm going to click on update. So there is an error here. So as you guys can see, if you are using a paid version of your hosting, you will get those ads here. So now I'm going to refresh this page to see new ads in my Adsterra. So I'm going to try again adding my custom HTML, and I'm going to click on update. So it's not updating, so you can simply click the preview. Now as you guys can see, these ads will appear if your hosting program is 100% successful, and you guys can try this and earn money. And now I'm going to proceed to my Adsterra statistics section. I can simply click here statistics to show how many impression and how many views for this ad. So as you guys can see, this has over 4 impression. So as we are new to this, you guys can see we carry a revenue of $0 only for 4. So you guys can simply continue this method and earn a high amount of money daily and per month. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe TechFox YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.